little bells in my house, driving me insane. They'll kill you like they killed me, oh, you just wait and see. Go away! They came into my house in the middle of the night. When I opened up my eyes, I opened my eyes in fright. Oh, these stupid bells, ringing through my head. If this ring doesn't stop, I'm just as good as dead. Oh, these stupid bells, they better stop it now. I'll pick up the phone, call the cops, and they will drag you out. Ow! Ah! I hate these bells, Why can't you get me my tree? I asked them and they told me I call it a Christmas gift. Oh, when will they leave? I can't hold it in. Oh, they finally left. I am so relieved. No, wait! Go away, Belle! Why me?